Hello everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to withdraw cash from your EBT card quickly and easily using an ATM. So let's get started. First, insert your EBT card into an ATM that accepts EBT. You can usually tell by the Quest logo displayed on the machine. When prompted, enter your PIN. That's your personal identification number. Next, select the option that says Withdraw Cash or something similar on the screen. Choose the amount of cash you'd like to withdraw from your available balance. Once the ATM finishes processing, take your cash, your printed receipt, and your card from the machine. And that's it. That's how you can withdraw cash from your EBT card in just a few simple steps. Thanks for watching! If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.